Hello, 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 my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. Okay, you guys, let's see. I've got these things. I want all the winners to know that some of this, I have not got MVPs. Me and her is communicating on this. I don't know what's happened. All I know is I haven't received it. So, Amaya's wish, me and Gigi is working on you. Let's see. I think I've got Boo Boo Glitter Glories Meredith Phoenix by Phoenix. So I'll try to get that to you, honey. I don't know about this mail. Somebody told me that the mail is not working right now, guys. So I'm not sure if I can even mail these yet. I'm going to have to find out. So we'll see what's going to happen. But today is a nail mail. I do have but a few items. I'm expecting some mascara, some 4D or whatever, where you have the fibers and the mascara, guys. Can't wait to get that. My nail room is coming together, guys. And I'm buying this nice bookcase type storage unit, wall unit. That is going to be amazing. It has 16 spots in it, guys. Yes, I cannot wait. Anyway, guys, so what I want to show y'all today, one, I'm going to do the update on my Dermal Repair Complex. I'm going to be posting before pictures and then the 2-month mark. This is the end of my 2-month bottle. I have literally 2, 4, 5 left, guys. Okay, I did not take them right the first month. I started in the middle, but that's okay, guys. It's been 2 months. I got one more bottle of these, so I'm going to do a 3-month checkup after I do the last bottle. This is my 2nd month, and I'll show y'all before and after pictures for the 1st and 2nd month in this video at the end, guys, if y'all would like to see those results. I will say, as for my nails, if you go to my first video that I put out on this dermal repair, guys, you will see that my nails were ragged down into here. I didn't even have a nail on these two. Look at my nails now, guys. They're freaking growing. My pinkies were all the way down, all messed up. They're growing. So I will say, for the nail part of this dermal repair complex, is for hair, skin, and nails. It's a dietary supplement from Beverly Hills MD. Guys, it rocks on the nails. My nails are coming back to full health again. I cannot believe how quickly this has happened, and it's all thanks to this, I'm sure. So I will give it that. Now, another thing I want to quickly do is just show this to y'all before I show y'all the best thing yet. But this is great. I bought this for my great-grandson, guys. He's turning 2 in May. The first week of May, he'll be 2 years old, guys. And this clock is adorable, guys, okay? So it has music, it has lighting. Let me turn it on for y'all and show it to y'all, but this is how it looks. It is so flipping cute. If y'all have any toddlers, guys, it's $29.99 on Amazon. Check it flipping out. It's so awesome, seriously. So let me know. Okay, so see, it lights up the space. Maybe the battery's dying, guys. I'm not sure what's going on right now. But it's got a smiley face on it, but it's got all different colors you can set it to for your grandson or granddaughter, guys. It's so flipping cute, and it has music, so you can soothe them with the music, guys. It is digital. It has a USB charging port to this baby, and it is awesome sauce. Or you can just cut the light off, but you can use this as a night light, and like I say, it comes with a USB charger. So that part's cool as heck. I'm trying to figure out now how to cut it off, guys. But, okay, let's see if we can get some music. I believe this is the music. Okay, but that's not working. So for some reason, guys, I don't know. My husband had this thing working the other day, but like I said, the battery might be low, guys. But here's your USB charging port that comes with it, which is awesome. So you didn't have to have batteries, guys. But anyway, there. Okay, I got that to cut off, but where's my music and how come it's not coming on? I don't know, guys. This is supposed to be your music, and it has like a soothing sound that you can play for them so that they can sleep really good. Guys, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not. Oh, there's the smiley face. Okay, so y'all see how that looks? So flipping cute. I don't know why my music's not playing, but I don't want to spend much time. I just wanted to show y'all this baby. I think it's so cute and adorable. So if you have a grandkid, you guys, I'll leave the link below for y'all. And y'all might want to check it out and get your babies one of these, okay? So that is for the clock. It's called the Light Weekend Energy Wicker, okay? which is so freaking cool. Like I said, I'll leave you a link below, guys, so y'all can order you one of these babes. Really, really nifty. Okay. Also, guys, one product I will be doing a review on for y'all in the beauty area. I still haven't ordered the hyaluronic pen or nothing, guys, because with this recession and everything that's going on, I don't know if it's a good idea yet, so I'm going to hold off for a minute on that, but I will be doing it. But I have this anti-aging laser, guys, and it's from Tria Beauty. Tria Beauty Anti-Aging, okay? I've had this baby, but it is Insider's Choice, Beauty Awards winner, and yeah, so I've used this, and I've had this baby for a while, but I quit using it, and it is a will age-defying laser work for you. It's a laser, and it's an in-home laser, guys. This baby costed me almost $600. It's $500 and something for this, or $600, I can't remember. But in that area, it's FDA cleared. Very, very good laser for the in-home use, guys. So we'll be doing a video on that. And then, last but not least in this video, guys, and I am going to do a video for Wing It Wednesdays today on my Rossi Glam Powder Trial Kit, Glam Your Nails. Oh my God, Becky. Oh my God, Becky. I'm loving this so freaking much, okay? So, guys, let's see what these look like. Rossi emailed me and asked me if I would be an ambassador, and I absolutely, of course, agreed, and I don't know what all it entails yet. I've reached out by email to them, Gmail. We'll find out from Rossi, but I do know they gave me an affiliate link. It is linked in my videos, and I will continue to link that along with my Archon mounts. If y'all would like y'all a wonderful Archon mount, then that's how you get one, honey. Get 20% off using Diamond, okay? So that'll be in the description box as well. And Rossi, I am honored to work with y'all. So this is a do-it-yourself manicure, non-toxic, quick and easy, no UV LED, calcium and vitamin E fortified, lasts up to 21 days of wear. Okay, guys, I have not seen this calcium and vitamin E since I used S&S dip powder 5 or 6 years ago when dip first come out, guys. I mean, when I went to college 3 years ago, nobody knew about dip powder. Yeah, like 3.5, 4 years ago, nobody knew about dip powder. And one of the first guys to do it in my hometown of Jacksonville, Florida, guys, was really charging for this. And he said it was calcium, breathable, and all that good stuff. And I see that Rossi has a similar deal. So in this box, we're going to get Snow White, Pink Mood, Sweetheart, which is a purple, and Honeymoon. Them are the 4 colors, guys. Can you see them? Can you see them? Can you see them? Snow White, Pink Mood, Sweetheart, and Honeymoon. Okay? And this is how the box looks. Yes, Rossi. Yes, Rossi. Yes, Rossi. I'm with you, girl. I'm with you, girl. Let's glam our nails. Let's glam the nails. Okay, guys. This is my glam powder. I love the little bottles already, guys. Okay, so flipping cute, Rossi. All right, so let's see what these babes look like. Since we're going to be doing a review on them today, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and open them for y'all. That's right. So this must be the Sweetheart. I'm thinking. We're going to look and see, but check that color out. So freaking, I don't know if y'all can really see it. Let me just get a little more light on the subject. There you go. It's like a pink, a very pretty pink. So let's see, is this supposed to be the purple, or is it the Sweetheart? Let's find out. I'm going to look. Oh, guys, okay. There, got it. This is the Pink Mood, number 056, Pink Mood. And this is how it looks on the thing, guys. Really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's got some little shimmer to it, kind of. Very pretty. Okay, so here we go. Let's go on the second one. I have got 4 powders and all of the stuff to go with this baby. So sweet. Rossi. This is Sweetheart. So that was the purple, the Pink Mood. Well, actually, it's Pink Mood. It looked purple on the box, guys. No, okay. The Pink Mood is very dark pink. This is more like, it looks purple on this lid, guys, but I'm thinking it's a light pink. This is the Sweetheart. Oh yeah. That's what it is, just a very nice, light, beautiful pink. I love that. Okay, so we've got that one, you guys, and that's 016 Sweetheart, okay? And let's figure out what else we got in this baby. So I got 2 more powders, and then we'll go over these liquids real quick, and that'll be our video for this. This will be my Monday video, guys. This is Sunday. I'm sorry I only got y'all 2 out last week. I had to get my house organized, guys, and my nail room. I couldn't even find my Archon Mountain stuff. I had to finally find everything and get it rearranged, and now I can start recording again. 001 Honeymoon. Love this. Very pretty. This is like a nude, I think, type of deal. That's the way it looks, guys. But now it's looking pink on the lid. But like I said, the colors are kind of deceiving on the thing. But this is looking nude in the bottle. So I don't know. But anyway, I'm loving it. I'm going to deal with this. Honeymoon. No. Okay, no. The honeymoon. Let me see, guys. Jeez, I'm getting really confused. Yeah, the honeymoon is supposed to look like that, which is more of a beige tone. So these colors are a little off by the look, I think. But hey, it doesn't matter to Diamond, honey. We're going to use these babies, okay? And this is your white snow, I believe. Snow White 057, guys. Just a regular white. So if you want to do the white. I don't have no white dip powder. I have a clear. I didn't have like a white. So this is going to be pretty cool to work with, okay? We're going to see how white it looks on the nails. Or is it meant to be just a clear? But I don't think so. It's showing as a color, guys. So there we go, you guys. That's it. And here is our liquids for the Glam Aesthetic kit. Loving you, Rossi. So I can't wait to work with Rossi, guys. And as far as I know, like I said, they're going to give Diamond. And I do have a link for a discount code that'll be in here, as well as my affiliate link, okay? So you can use the discount code, hit on my affiliate link, and then put in the discount code, guys. Alright, so let me get these on out of here. So this is the Rossi 1, 2, and 3. So there's only 3 steps. Very light, these bottles. Very cute, too. Y'all see that? So number... Uh-oh, guys, I'm missing one. So it doesn't give me step 1. So what is step 1, Rossi? I did not get step 1, guys. Alright, so I got 2, 3, and 4. I've got the base coat. So the step 1 is going to be like a dehydrant, I'm sure, guys. So you just dehydrate it with some alcohol or whatever. Is what I'm thinking. Anyway, you've got a base coat, you've got the activator, and you've got a top coat. So that's it. Base, activate, top. Okay? That's what I've got for a starter kit, guys. So we're gonna check out this Rossi, honey. Believe in that. And I'm just gonna throw away this box. I love the box, but I'm gonna throw it away, guys. Rossi Nails. So I've got a little thing that I can go to here. You can follow, and I'll put their links below, guys, for you to go follow them on Facebook and Instagram. Rossi Glam Powder Kit is the secret to achieve a professional manicure at home. Easy to apply, long-lasting, and odorless. Rossi Glam Powder is the best acrylic alternative that offers high shine and lasts up to 21 days without the need to light cure with a light, guys, which is amazing. So directions is you're going to clean the nail plate, apply a layer of our dipping base, dip the nail into the powder, and then apply a second layer, dipping base. That's probably the clear, guys, or I don't know how white this white's going to be. We're going to have to find that out today. Once again, quickly dip into powder, repeat dip steps until you get desired depth of color, and coat with a layer of activator, do a little buffing. Then apply activator again, and last you will need to apply a layer of our top coat. Allow 30 seconds, paint another coat of the top coat. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do, Rossi. That's what we're going to do today, honey. So there you have it, you guys. We will get into this. I'll be making a video here in a minute about this, my new affiliate and ambassador set from Rossi. Thank you, Rossi, for choosing Diamond. I really am honored. So we're going to get into this today, guys. So anyway, guys, that's the Dermal Repair. I'll send some pictures at the end of this. From 1 month all the way into the end of 2 months. So 60 days I've been using this, okay? A little over, actually, because I started, like I said, off wrong by a week, I think, guys. Not a big deal. It's still the same effect. And like I said, the nails are definitely coming too. So I'm happy about that. Thank you, Beverly Hills MD, Dermal Repair Complex. Guys, I'll try to leave that link below. It's also in my other video and all these links. So, you guys, I love y'all. And as for the winners, guys, I'm going to do the best I can. I don't know how I'm going to mail these yet. The people that I have to mail, like MVP, Butterfly Kisses, and Cafe Nails by Gina's package. Whoever won those, guys, it might take a minute for y'all to get it. The Flexi Hand, who won the Flexi Hand? It's going to take a little longer, Sharon said, from Flexi Hand, I guess due to this virus thing, but you will be getting it, okay? You are going to get it. So, guys, that's the deal. I love y'all, and I will see y'all really soon.